Today, I will be exploring the beautiful Martin Falls. I will be driving to the trailhead south of Chetwynd along Highway 29, also known as the Don Phillips Highway. However, it is just as easy to reach driving north from Tumbler Ridge. There is a small sign at the side of the highway marking the turnoff point. As you can see, the parking area is not too big. It's just enough room for a few vehicles at a time. But it's never really too busy and parking's not a major issue. The distance from the parking lot to the falls is only about 200 meters, so this is a very short hike indeed. The trail can be a little bit steep here and there, but it's nothing especially challenging. About 3/4 of the way down, you'll get your first view of the creek itself. A cliff face overlooking a pretty trickling brook with the echoes of the falls rumbling off in the distance. Just a short way down and you can reach the top of the falls themselves. If you're feeling up to it, you can look right over the edge. Just watch your step. The wet rocks can be a little slick. All in all, for a quick little trip down the trail, this waterfall is definitely worth your time should you happen to be in the area.